Well, we got some snow. Welcome to Sow Grow. Today I am going to plow snow with my tractor for the first time. Last year we didn't get enough snow to even make it worth getting the tractor out for, so this will be a learning experience. Come along with me. I don't have a plow or a snow pusher, so I'm just going to use the bucket, but I threw on my 2-edge Tamers. I would use my back blade, but my 3-point on my tractor is broken. So it is in the locked position, so I won't be able to use the back blade. So we'll see how this goes. I should also mention I do not have tire chains, so this could get interesting. If it gets too slippery on our driveway hill, I'm just going to call it quits. All of our vehicles are all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, so probably won't be that big of a deal, but just thought I'd get out here and give scooping the snow a chance here. Let's stop and talk about why I just have a bucket with edge tamers for snow removal. The biggest reason is because I'm cheap. Edge tamers cost me, I think, $75 total, and the bucket came with the tractor. I've looked at hydraulically actuated plows, and they're several $1,000s, and so are snowblowers. And here in southeast Iowa, this is the first winter in years where you've really even needed to move snow. So I just can't justify the price. So I think I'm going to stick with what I've got. It works for me. It's not perfect. The other options would leave it cleaner and nicer, but I can use the money I would save on other cool implements. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so the snow stopped. Got about 10 inches all total. I'm going to drive around our trail system and pack down the snow. We're going on a cruise next week, Virgin Voyages. That video will be up on my wife's channel, AGP Travel Planning. Smashing these trails down so my mother-in-law can walk our dog and not have to trudge through the snow. Branch right there, hanging in a tree. Sketchy. That sucker down at the gravel these days.
Oh, Luke, what happened here? The driveway is over here and the car's over there.
In typical man fashion, I thought I could get it up the driveway when there was like 15 inches of snow.
Yeah, all-wheel drive's not the same as four-wheel drive, is it?
Nope, my van would have made it.
He's going to attempt, now that it's a bit warmer out, see if he can just get it past some of the slop. He's really slowly rejected.